Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. I'm Siti Suhaierra J22B0259 with my teammates Haffy Rayyan, Vanessa Kong and Muzammil will be presenting our algebra answer mini project today. Question 1A. Find the probability that he make both goals. The problem is asking you to find PA and B. PA and PB are both 0.65 and the probability that he makes the second goal given that he made the first goal is 0.90. Since PA and B is 0.0, so we must get PA and B and PA. And the answer is 0.585. Question 1B. Find the probability that he makes either the first goal or the second goal. The problem is asking you to find PA or B. To find the probability that he makes either the first goal or second goal is PA plus PB minus PA and B. And the answer is 0.715. Question 1C. Are A and B independent? A and B is not independent because PA and PB is 0.585. When PA and PB are multiplied, it will be 0.4225. But from the answer we get for PA and B, it is 0.595. So PA and B is not equal to PA and PB. Question 1D. Are A and B mutually exclusive? A and B is not mutually exclusive because PA and B is 0.595. To be mutually exclusive, must equal 0.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone, my name is Haffy Rayyan bin Hairul Azizi and my metric number is J22A0258. Today I'll be explaining and answering the question 2 from the mini project Aljabar. So the question given here is the mean hourly earnings Y in RM of employees at operation care centers in Malaysia from 2015 to 2020 can be modeled by Y equal to 0.782T plus 15.2, which is 0 is lesser than equal to T lesser than equal to 5. So T represents the year with T equal to 0 corresponding to 2015. So the main question here is to illustrate the model to estimate the year in which the mean hourly earnings were RM 16 ringgit 75 cents. So we can understand that T is represents the year and also T equal to 0 corresponding to 2015. So from the equation given where 0 is lesser than equal to T lesser than equal to 5, we can assume that T will equal by 1 corresponding to 2016 and it will increase 1 by 1 until the 2020. So we will put the value inside the equation there, which is Y equal to 0.782T plus with 15.2, which is in 2015 we will get RM 15 ringgit 0.2, and then in 2016 we will get RM 15.982, in 2017 we will get RM 16.764, in 2018 we will get RM 17.546, in 2019 we will get RM 18.328, and finally in 2020 we will get RM 19.11. So in conclusion here, we can assume that the year in which the mean hourly earnings were RM 16 ringgit 75 cents was 2017. So that's all from me. I'll be passing to the next presenter.
Thank you, Happy. I am Vanessa and I will be explaining question 3 answers. In question 3, we can see that porcelain cubicle is equal to X units, platinum cubicle equals to Y units, as well profit equals to Z. The equation for maximized profits is 1.5 X plus 2 with 2Y, and the constraints will be X plus Y is smaller than 1200, Y smaller than 1 over 2X, X smaller than 3Y plus 600. 3C. When X equals to 800, Y equals to 400, and Z equals to 1.5, also it equalizes to 800, plus with 2 in brackets of 400, we can see that it equals to 2000. The value of X will reach its maximum value, which is 2000. Thus, based on the graph, the optimal production for porcelain cubicle is 800 units and platinum cubicle is 400 units. I'll explain it in the graph on our next slide. On the answer of 3A, we can see that this graph is equalized to X plus Y smaller than 1200, Y smaller than 1 over 2X, X smaller than 3Y plus 600. Thank you. I think that is all.
Okay, this is question 4. Question 4 ni nak cari number of term. Info yang dah bagi, first term 15, second term 15 dengan third term 21. Sum of the term is 670. Okay, nak solve dia pakai formula ni. Sn equal to Na1 plus n bracket n minus 1 over 2d. Lepas tu masukkan je info yang kita dah ada dalam formula. Untuk Na1 tu kita letak 15 untuk first term dia. Lepas tu campur dengan 3n bracket n minus 1. 3 tu dia punya common difference. Selesaikan yang atas tu. Lepas tu kita akan dapat satu quadratic formula, quadratic equation. 3 over 2 n squared plus 27 over 2 n equal to 670. Untuk hilangkan 2 tu, kita akan darabkan semua dengan 2. Sebab nak hilangkan 2 bawah tu kan. So yang 670 tu akan jadi 13,400. Lepas tu kalau nak selesaikan benda ni, formula dia ada banyak. Quadratic ni, factorization dia, kemudian dia square ada, formula dia ada. So kita orang guna quadratic formula. So formula dia negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So kita masukkan je info yang kita ada. B dia kita ambil 27. So untuk ac, a kita dah 3, c kita 13,400. So kita selesaikan guna kalkulator apa semua. Untuk formula ni dia akan bagi jawapan dalam ada positif dan juga negatif. So kita ambil yang positif. Positif dia 17.1.
That is all from our mini project. Thank you for listening.